Hey guys, it's Steve with JP4x4NATION. Today on my 07 Wrangler, we're going to be swapping out the front drive shaft for an Adams drive shaft. We've had an issue with the CV joint. Some of you may know those tend to go bad, and instead of just replacing it or going to a Triflex upgrade, it just makes more sense to go with the Adams drive shaft. We purchased it from Extreme Terrain. They seem to have the best deal on it. Install time should take roughly an hour or so. We're doing this in the backyard again. Backyard mechanics, takes you twice as long to do anything that a mechanic with a full shop can do. So stay tuned and check out the video. The different drive shaft options they have. We went with the Adams drive shaft, and Extreme Terrain is really great because it offers you quick install videos that are a little more detailed than what most other sites do provide. And so if you go there, you could check out how to do the install, but it's more or less just removing these 4 front bolts here, and then we're going to remove all the back bolts at the old CV joint here and do the swap. So you can see the rubber boot has diminished to nothing, and because of the lift kit, the angle is pretty extreme, which is what's causing the failure. So that's the reason for the upgrade. On the last time I went off-roading, I had issues with the 4-wheel drive not functioning right, so I have to fix this before I can get back out on the trails. Alright, so we have the front drive shaft pulled and we're ready to put the new drive shaft in. The biggest component that'll be changing here is we're getting rid of the CV joint on the old unit, and we're going to be adding in a U-joint to the transfer case to give us more articulation and eliminate the hassle of this guy breaking down on you over time. So that'll be the next step. Alright guys, front drive shaft is installed, and we did a test drive and nothing fell off, so I think we are good to go.